I'm going to do a problem that is like 13 through 22. I'm going to do a problem that is like 13 through 22, but I'm not going to do one of those problems. So instead of pi over 4, I'm going to do 3 pi over, let's see, or 2 pi over 3. That's not on there. So let's do the sine, the cosine, and the tangent of 3 pi over 2. Does all show up? Good. We want the cosine of that value, 3 pi over 2, and the tangent of 3 pi over 2. So your problems are going to look the same but have different numbers. Now, from your notes, which letter, X or Y, did we say the sign was or is? Look on your notes. Look on that previous page. And I want you guys to memorize that as well. Back on the first page of the notes, or the second page of the notes.
Are you doing number 11 or 13?
This is like 13, but it's not number 13. Because 13 through 22 doesn't have, none of those have 3 pi over 2. You see that? They have different ratios. But we can do one that's like that. So my question is, if you go back to the notes on page 296, everybody look there, if you're not sure, what letter did we say that Y is? I'm sorry, did we say that sine is? I just said the answer. It's Y, the sign is Y. So now look on your unit circle, and we're going to find 3 pi over 2. I said that wrong. Well, yeah, we can do the 3 pi over 2. I thought I was going to do a different one, but does everybody see 3 pi over 2 right here? So what is the Y value, everybody? Negative 1. And so the sine is Y, so the sine of negative 3 pi over 2 is negative 1. What's the cosine? What letter is the cosine? X. If we go back to 3 pi over 2, what's the X value? 0, so the cosine is 0. And what is the tangent? Y over X. Remember, let me write here that this was equal to Y, this was equal to X. So what's Y over X? And by the way, the problem said if possible, because sometimes the answer is undefined. What's Y over X? What over what? Negative 1 over 0. And what is negative 1 over 0 equal to?
Error.
No, it's not equal to 0.
Error.
Oh, error. Okay, yeah. I thought you said 0. I want you to use the word not defined or undefined. Okay? So this is undefined. You can abbreviate it as that, undefined. In other words, we can never divide by 0. That make sense? Okay, so you're going to do one of those for each of the problems that I gave you. Okay. And by the way, the same thing is true for the last 6 problems, except for they want you to use all 6 trigonometric functions. They want you to write all 6 trigonometric functions. I'm going to pause this.